Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can easily connect your Marshall Miner Free with Android phone. So right now I got it prepared for you, and you can see in the moment when I open the case it asks me to connect. So I'm going to press OK, and I'm going to also download the app, so let's download it. So this is something that I also encourage you to do, is to download the application. And now it has been set up, so I can easily just take them out. And now maybe there's a question, so it didn't connect with you like in a way that it connected with me. So what you have to do is that you have to go to settings on a swipe down, then go to top right settings, then you want to go to connections, and under Wi-Fi you can have Bluetooth, and here on the Bluetooth you are going to have the Marshall, but you're going to have it in available devices on the bottom, right? So you can have like Miner Free. So that's what you want to connect with, and that's how it's going to work. Now when I'm going to have the application here, I don't want to stay updated, I don't want to skip, add new device, allow, and here we got it. So I'll just add it right here. Okay, pair. Get started. And here we got it. So this is how you can easily connect it with your Android phone. And now when we are going to look, what we can find here is that we can just play the songs from here. Then you can have also equalizer that you can play around with if you want to. Touch controls. So left earbud, right earbud, do nothing. So you can have it like custom, or you can disable them. Then you're gonna have also options to forget device from the app. So that's pretty much it. And on top you're gonna have the battery life. So thank you very much for watching. I just wanted to make this quick video for you, and have a great day and goodbye.